How to fix Instagram Boost post something went wrong error. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Open your preferred browser and search for Instagram server status. Check if Instagram servers are down. If they are, wait a while and try again later. Open the App Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. If it shows open, your app is already up to date. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Instagram in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload app to remove the app without deleting your data. Reinstall the app again. This will clear the cache and may fix bugs. This is how you can fix the Instagram Boost post something went wrong error. Thank you for watching.